Hello everyone, very good evening guys. I'm audible. Very good evening Varsha, Shupriya, very good evening Prachi, Arpit. Very good evening everyone. I'm audible now. Hello guys. I'm audible. Yes. Okay everyone, okay. So first of all guys, कैसे हो आप सभी? Let me know. How are you all guys? Let me know. Okay, thank you for your response everyone. How are you all guys? Let me know. Good? Yes, very good evening. ओके मस्त मस्त मी टू गाइस मी टू मैं भी मस्त हूँ भाई व्हाट अबाउट यू आई एम आल्सो वेरी वेल एवरीवन सर वेयर डू आई सबमिट द python day to assignment okay I think guys yesterday Arnav has assigned some assignments right and also have not provided some link means assignment submission link. Don't worry guys, today I will add a Google form link into the video's description means the previous days video's description. So by navigating that form, you can submit your task. Okay. Yes, a day two backend. Let's rock. Yes, guys. Okay, sir. I have a small doubt. I'm applying for AIML. I'm attending this front end and classes also. Okay. Okay, Alex. Don't worry. I will also create a form and I will put the link into the video's description. Okay. Okay, people. Okay. So today, what we are going to learn? Anyone can tell me, guys. Today, what we are going to learn? If you have already see the video description or the video title, so you will get to know what we are going to learn today, right people? Can anybody let me know guys today what we are going to learn? Anybody? Anybody can tell me guys today what we are going to learn in backend? Yesterday basically we have learned how we can create a basic server using express.js, right? Also we have understood some terminologies like some folder structures are there. We have also understood those things, right? So today, basically, first of all, we are going to connect our database. Okay, we will create a free cluster. Okay, creating that cluster, we will connect that database with our server. Then we will again write our server configuration. We will create a route, some controllers. Okay, so we will check whether our server is working or not, and allow has been connected. And also, additionally, we will learn some configuration means for a backend few code like from the front end if you want to send some data, so how many ways the data will be transferred, also learn those things. Okay, some configurations are required. Okay people, so we will learn about those things. Okay, understandable everyone? Let me know once again. Guys, still voice is breaking. Let me know everyone, voice clear or not. We know, let me know. Give me a second, huh? Please Just give me a second. Let me connect my earphone. Okay, Jayashnu, just give me a second. I will connect my earphone. Okay, will be there.
Okay, people, am I audible right now? Please let me know. Audible? Voice is clear or not? Let me know, guys. Voice is clear or not? Okay, guys. Okay. I think now it is clear, right? Once again, please let me know, guys. Am I audible or not? Okay, okay, Rajat. Okay, okay, okay. Guys, please let me share my screen to all of you guys. Please let me know whether my VS Code is visible or not. Okay. VS Code visible now, everyone? Okay, I think VS Code is visible. Okay, okay, people. Okay. See here, guys. See, previous day we have created a folder called 01 underscore day, right? Now today we will again create a new folder called 02 underscore day because it's our day 2, right? For backend development it's our day 2. So now here, guys, first of all, if you open the previous day file, see here only one file is there called index.js, right? But today, from today onwards, guys, we are not going to write our backend in this manner. Here in this manner I have write a simple server configuration, right? But we are not going to use that things again and again. From today onwards we are going to learn some proficient things. Okay, okay, people. So see here, guys, first of all, can anybody tell me, guys, how I can initialize my backend? First of all, how I can initialize my backend? Anybody can let me know, guys? Can anybody, guys, tell me, guys, how I can initialize my backend? Don't worry about the attendance link, guys. During the class, it will be provided to all of you guys. Okay. So if you want to initialize a backend, first of all, a simple command is there. What will be the command? npm init, right? Now again, one shortcut is there. Put double hyphen and y means whatever options are there, na, you are going to mark them as yes. Okay. So you don't have to fill up those informations manually. So using npm init, guys, we can initialize our backend. So hit the enter button. Okay. Now see, our package.json file has been generated here. See, the name, version, main is already defined like index.js. Everything is present here, right, people? Now, if you remember, in our previous class, I have told that after creating the package.json file, you should add a new key value pair. What will be the key value pair, guys? Which is type. Here in this type, we are going to use what? Common JS or module JS. See, here we are going to use what? Module JS, people. Okay. Here, what we are going to use? Simply, we are going to use what? Module JS, right? Now, see, guys, what will be our entry point for this backend? Anybody let me know what will be the entry point for this backend? Which file will be considered as an entry point for this 02 day backend? Please let me know. According to me, guys, this index.js will be the entry point. Okay, people. Now see, here na some folder structure we have to follow. Like, first of all, in a backend, basically two major folder will be there. Okay, one will be the main source folder, one will be the temporary folder. Okay, people. Inside the source folder, what we will do, guys, the our entire backend code will be present, and inside the temporary file or folder we are going to store what? Our static files. Okay. Not understandable, right? Let me code something, okay? See, guys, mkdir. First of all, two folder we have to create. First folder is what? Src means source folder. Second one is what? Public folder. See, here at the left side, I have created two folder. First one is what? Public folder, and second one is what? Src folder. Now, you can ask me, sir, what is the use of src and public folder? See, guys, inside this src means source folder, we are going to write our entire backend logics, entire backend code, database configuration. Everything will be present inside what? Src folder. Okay, people. Now, inside the public folder, if we want to upload any image from our front end to the back end, then that image will temporarily inside the public folder. Okay, that's why we have created also a public folder. Understandable, guys? Understandable? Why I have created two different folders? One is public, one is src. Inside public, if we want to store any kind of files, like if we want to upload any file from front end to back end, then the file will be stored inside which folder? Public folder. Now, the entire server configuration, entire backend code will be present inside which folder? Inside the src folder. Okay. See, mkdir is a command like make a directory. Using this mkdir command, you can create folders, or also basically folders means directories. Okay, people. Now let me go inside src folder. Okay. Now inside the src folder, if you remember, guys, in our previous class, I have told you some terminologies like a database will be there, controller will be there, right? Apart from that, middleware, route, utils, models will be there, right, people? In a previous class, I have told na multiple things will be there like a database, models, routes, controllers, middlewares, utils, right, people? So now those things will be what? Directories or folders. So here I will create what? First of all, database folder means inside this database folder, guys, whatever configurations are required related to our database, those things will be present inside that particular database folder. Understandable, people? Now, second one is controllers. If you remember, what does it mean by controllers? Controllers is nothing but it is a function, and this a function will do or will perform some operations, right? It's like we can say that it's an API. Okay, it's an API, right, people? So entire business logic or entire our server logic will be present inside the controllers folder. Okay, people. Now, one more important thing, that is what? Routes. Routes mean, see, guys, if you see this destination URL, na, like here forward slash desktop, it's what? It's a route. Here, see, 02 day. After forward slash 02 day is present, right? It is what? A route. Means a particular destination. On that destination, something will be present or some operations will be performed. Yesterday I have told na, if you open forward slash login, means on that forward slash login, either the login form will be there, or along with login form you can also perform the login operation. That is what? Routes. Are you people understanding or not? Database configuration. Controllers means all the business logics. Routes means different destinations. Okay, people. Route means what? Different destinations. Are you people understanding or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Okay. After the routes, guys, after the routes, we have many things. Like I have also told about what? Models, right, people? Models. So why we should use the models? Like to create the database structure. Create what? Create database structure. We should maintain a separate folder. The folder name is what? Models. Right, people? The folder name is what? Models. Now, after these models, we also record what? Middlewares. Middlewares means suppose you want to perform login operation, means on that login operation, authorization will be performed or authentication will be performed. So that particular authorization or the authentication code will be present inside which folder? Middlewares. Yesterday or previous class, I have given an example. What is the example, guys? Can anybody tell me? Ok, anybody? See, the example was, suppose you are returning from your college to home, and suddenly your mom called you and told, Beta, whenever you will return to the home, before returning to the home, please visit your nearest store, buy a packet of sugar, then come back to the home. So basically, the primary task is you are going to return to your home. But before returning to your home, you have visited a store and purchased something. Then you have returned. Means before purchasing a product, you should log in. Okay? Before making any payment, you should log in into your profile. Otherwise, you cannot do payment, you cannot do purchase. Understandable, people? That is what middlewares. Okay, guys. Final is what? Utils. Utils means nothing but it's some additional functionality. Like if you want to send some custom responses, custom errors, don't worry about what is custom responses, custom errors in later time. Okay, I will discuss about them. I will also create them. I will discuss about them. Okay, people. So these six folders are necessary to work with any backend project. Okay, and the backend means that the backend should be Node Express backend. This a folder structure will work on which backend? Node.js backend, Node Express. Understandable, people? Node Express backend. See, now, guys, can anybody tell me here? See, what is main? The main value is what? Index.js. That means if I execute that particular index.js file, that server will be executed. Right, people? So I have not created that file yet. So how to create? See, in Linux, one command is there called touch. Using the touch command, you can create files. First file is what? Index.js means it's our main entry point. If we execute this index.js file, that means our server will be executed. Another file is what? App.js. Okay, people. See here in this app.js, app means basically your server. So whatever configuration will be there means how you can grab the data from the front end. Okay, whether you want to use cookies or not, everything will be present inside which folder means which file called app.js file. It's like server configuration file. Okay, people, that is the two file we should create here. Okay, people, till now any confusion, guys? Please let me know. Till now any confusion? Whatever the things I have discussed right now, if you have any confusion, please let me know. See, guys, let me recap everything. Okay, see, first of all, I have created a new folder. For today, I have created what folder? 02 day. Right, people? Inside the 02 day, first of all, I have initialized my backend by executing a command called npm init. Right, people? Now my backend has been initialized. Right? After that, I have told you that for every backend, there should be two different folders. First folder is what? Public folder. Means suppose you want to upload your profile picture. So in facebook.com, in your mobile application, first of all, you will navigate in your profile. That is what? Your client side means your Facebook app, means front end, right, people? So from that front end, you are going to upload a picture. So after uploading the picture will go to the server. So in the server, it should be present inside a particular location or in a particular directory or a folder. So that particular folder will be what? Public. So if I upload any file, that file should be stored inside which folder? Public folder for a temporary basis. So for that, I have created public folder. Right, people? Now after creating the public folder, again I have to create another folder called what? src. Src means source folder. Inside this source folder, everyone, I have to write all my database configuration, all my server configuration, my entire backend logic will be present inside which folder? Src folder. Right, people? Till now, let me know any confusion, guys. Till now, people, any confusion? Please let me know. Why we should create public folder? Why you should create src folder? Any doubt till now? Please let me know. After that, I will explain what src means. Inside src, what are the folders will be there, and what are the purposes of those folders, and also the files. Okay, people. So I think you have understood, right, people? Now, see, guys, this src folder means it's what? It's our source folder. Means our entire backend code will be present inside the src. Now, for this entire backend, some folder structures we have to follow, right? What are the folder structures we have to follow? First of all, guys, if we want to work with a backend, means a database is compulsory. Without a database, we cannot store any data, we cannot retrieve any data from the database, right, people? That's why I have created what folder? Public, sorry, database folder. Means inside this database folder, I will connect my database. Means whatever the code are required to connect my database with the server, that particular thing will be present inside which folder? Database folder, right, people? Now again, one more folder is there, what? Controllers. Controllers means suppose you want to perform login operation. Suppose you want to perform logout, means you have already logged in your profile. Now you want to log out from your profile. Suppose you want to send some money to your friend. So for performing those operation, some codes will be there, right? Some logics will be there. Those logics are nothing but what? Controllers. Okay, business logics. That's why I have created what folder? Controllers folder. Right, people? Next, models, guys. Models. Suppose I want to store any data, but before storing the data, I should provide some structure to my database. If I do not provide any structure, then it will be what? Messy. My database will be messed up. Right, people? That's why I have created what folder? Models folder here. Okay, people. Now see, routes folder. Routes folder means suppose you want to perform login operation. So forward slash login will be there. Forward slash purchase will be there. Forward slash add to cart will be there. Those things are what? Routes. Utils means some additional functionalities, right? And middlewares means authentication, authorization. Those things are considered as what? Middlewares. Okay, people. Till now, any confusion? Please let me know. Let me know. Till now, any confusion? And again, you can see here two files are there, like app.js and index.js. As you know that, guys, this index.js file is known as what? Our entry point. Means a backend entry point. Means if we execute this index.js, that means our server will be started. Right, people? And inside this app.js, my server configuration will be there. Okay, how to receive the data, what are the restriction I want to provide, those things will be present inside app.js. Difference between controller and routes. See, controller means what? Business logic. Okay, suppose you want to perform login operation. So for performing the login operation, you should write some code. That particular code will be considered as what? Controller. Now to perform the login operation, you should be present in a particular destination. The destination is what? Forward slash login. Suppose here it's my URL, https colon forward slash uh, facebook.com, okay, forward slash login. See, guys, here this a forward slash login is considered as what? A route. On that particular route, what controller will be executed? That particular login controller will be executed here. That is the basic difference between a controller and a route. Understandable, guys? Right, people? Any doubt, guys, till now? Any doubt? Tell me, guys, tell me. Any doubt till now? Guys, one more thing. If you're enjoying this video, now please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And also please share with your friends. Okay, okay. First of all, I have told now we will connect what? My database. We will connect what? Database. So inside the database, I will create a file first, guys. Okay. What will the file name? db.js. db means what? Database. Just because we are going to connect our database by executing that file, that's why the file name is what? db.js. Now important thing is, guys, how to connect the database. That is the main thing. But for connecting the database, we have to install a package. Can anybody tell me guys what is the package name? Using a package, we will connect our database with our server. So anybody, please tell me the database means tell me the package name. See, the package name is what? Mongoose, right? Using Mongoose, we can connect our database and we can establish the connection between the database and the server. It will act like a bridge between our server and the database. That's why we have to install a package called what? Mongoose. Right, people? Understandable? So, how to install this Mongoose package? It's a very easy. Like npm install. Like if you want to install any package by using npm, so the very common thing is like you have to write what npm install mandatorily. Now, what package you want to install, you should write. Like I want to install what? Mongoose package. See here, guys. After writing the Mongoose, hit the enter button. So Mongoose package will be installed. See here, guys. Inside the package.json, our Mongoose package has been installed. Right? Right, people? Any confusion? How I can download the Mongoose package? I think no confusion will be there. Right, people? See the command npm install what? Mongoose. By executing that command, we can install the Mongoose package easily. Right, people? Guys, till now, any doubt? Any doubt? Please let me know. See, guys, first of all, look at the folder structure and see. Please go through it and tell me whether any confusion is there or not. Okay, people? Please let me know. After that, I will connect the database. First, see and tell me whether have any doubt or not. Please let me know. No doubt. Okay, Rajat, very good, very good. If you closely observe these classes now, people, you will going to learn everything. Okay. Definitely try to teach you the entire backend, how the backend should look like. I will teach you. Don't worry. Attend the every classes mandatorily, so it will be helpful for you guys. Okay. See, guys. So we have already installed the package called what? Mongoose, right? Second step is what? I have to import the Mongoose. Okay. So first import what? This Mongoose package from where? From this Mongoose. Now, guys, I want to connect my database. So for that, I will write a function called what? Const db connect. So it's a my function. By executing that function, I can connect what? My database, people. And here, please, okay, some mistakes are there. See, now here, please don't forget to put async keyword. It's a mandatory because database is not present in our house or in not in our locality. So for connecting the database, it will take some time because the database can be present in Asia, can be present in Middle East, can be present in USA, okay, can be present in Europe countries. So for sending the request, the request will be transferred via internet. It will also take some time for that. After receiving that request, it will also get back the response. The response will also come through the internet. It will also take some time. That's why you have to use what? Async keyword. It will help you to run your program asynchronously. Asynchronously means concurrently, means you can execute multiple programs at once. Okay, people. Now see, guys. Finally, I will export it defaultly. DB connect. That's it. Only three things are there. First of all, you should import what? A Mongoose package. Second thing is what? You should create a function called what? DB connect. If I execute that function means our database connection will be established. After creating that function, you should export it defaultly or either otherwise you can normally export it. No issue will be there. Okay, people. Now see, now one more important question is there like sir we don't have any database so how we can connect it, right? So solution is there guys. Please follow the steps along with me. Okay, I think my entire screen is visible to all of you guys. See here my screen. Okay, screen is visible, guys. Screen is visible. See, open your Chrome, guys. Okay, open your Chrome or any browser, whatever browser you using, guys. Okay, just open it and search for what mongodb.com. mongodb.com. Okay, just search for what mongodb.com and hit the enter button. Right, people? Okay, see here mongodb.com. See, you have now you can see the mongodb.com's web page, right, people? Now here, just because I have not created any account, so I have to create which button? Get started button. So click on the get started button, everyone. After that, okay, people, just click on the get started button, everyone. After clicking on the get started button, you should press on that button called sign up with Google, right, people? Sign up with Google. Click on it. So your account will be created. Just because I don't have any account till now, so I have to create a new one. Okay, people. Okay, again I have to verify. Just give me a second, huh, people. Just give me a second, huh. Okay, I think my account has been verified. Okay, see here, my account has been verified. Okay, now see, my MongoDB cluster has been created. Means my account has been created here. So just click on that checkbox, everyone. Okay, just click on that checkbox and click on the submit button. Now some steps are there that you should follow, guys. Okay, for getting a free cluster, right? Now see this kind of interface you are going to see, people, right? This type of interface you are going to see. Okay, now it will ask some question from you guys, like what is your primary goal? Okay, now how long have you been deploying software with the MongoDB? Okay, so this kind of question it will ask from you. Don't worry, just go at the bottom. Okay, see here, skip personalization option will be there. Okay, what option will be there? Skip personalization. Click on that skip personalization option, so you don't have to choose anything, right? Now here you will get three options. First one is what? M10. Second one is what? Flex. And third one is what? Free. So you should choose the third one. What is the third one? The free option. Right, people? What you have to choose here? The free option. Means you will get a free cluster of 512 MB. Right, people? You will get the free cluster of what? 512 MB. Right, people? Now here some check boxes are there. If you want to check it or uncheck it, you can do it easily. No issue will be there. Okay, now you can choose your provider. What provider you want to use, you can choose it from here. Right, people? So some basic providers are there like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. Okay, if you want to use AWS, just choose it. Google Cloud, Azure, whatever things you want to use, you can choose it. And from here, region, please don't do anything here. Okay, people, create deployment. If you want to choose AWS, just go for it. If you want to choose Google Cloud, just go for it. No issue will be there. Okay, so here I will write a password called 2025. Create database user. Okay, see guys, we have already completed our 70% portion of creating a free database cluster. Already we have already completed 70%. Okay, people, 70% we have completed. Now, one more important thing, at the left bottom side here, network access option will be there inside the security. Okay, at the left bottom side inside the security, an option will be there called what? Network access. Okay, people, network access will be there. Click on that network access, and here a edit button you will get. Click on that edit button, and here just click on it, allow access from anywhere. Okay, now that means, now here, if you are in this earth, now if you're staying in India, now you move on to USA, you have moved on to Europe. So from that particular region, now you can access your database easily. From anywhere you can access your database. Okay, that's why you should click on allow access from anywhere. Okay people, now click on the confirm button, and it will take some time because just just we have updated the IP, right? So for configuring the IP it will take some time. Okay people, I think not, it will not take more than 1 minute. Okay, now if I go into the cluster, see, my database has already been created here, right people? And inside the network access, status is still pending. I think it will be updated soon. Let me refresh it guys one more again, one more time. Okay, still it is pending. Okay, don't worry, it will be active. Okay, see here guys, now the status is what, active, right people? Status is what, active. Now simple step guys, here at the top left you can see the clusters, right? Click on that clusters, you will get this kind of dashboard. See here how much storage you have used, you can see here at the right side, like a data size. Okay people, okay, what happened guys? Okay, see, at the data size you can see how much storage you have used. Okay people, now just click on the connect button. Okay, and choose what, compass. Now here at the second point, a point is written like copy the connection string, then open MongoDB compass, right? So here you will get an URL like MongoDB plus SRV, this kind of URL you will get here. Okay people, just copy that particular URL, go inside your VS code. Okay, understandable people? Till now any confusion people, till now please let me know. Just copy this URL and remember your password. Okay people, just copy this URL and remember your password guys. Okay, and let me know if you have any confusion or not till now. I think the steps are very much easy guys, right? Let me know everyone, let me know. Steps are easy na? Okay, see guys, yes yes yes, very good, very good. See, I have copied this link. Now I will go to my VS code. Okay people, here simply for safe practice I will create what, a try catch block. Inside the catch block, I will simply console log the error. Means suppose during database connection, if somehow my database is not being connected, so on that time I will get what, an error message. So for printing that error message, I should understand what error I have get. So for understanding that thing, I have just console log the message here, guys. Okay, just I have console log the message. Now here using Mongoose, I can connect the database. So I will tell Mongoose, hey Mongoose, just give me a method or a function. Okay, now I am Mongoose. Okay, just take the function. What is the function? Function name is what, connect. So I have told Mongoose, hey Mongoose, please give a function called connect so that I can connect my database. All right, people. Now here in this suggestion you can see here I have to pass what, an URI or a string, means simply the database URL I have to pass here. So here I will pass it, like I will paste it, and realize here after that forward slash means mongodb.net forward slash, after that you should mention your database name here, like uh, temp database, temp db, means a temporary database I will create. That's why I have to write a name called what, tempdb. And one more important thing that you have to change guys, here see, after my username, after colon, two angle brackets are there, right? Inside that angle brackets db password is written, right? So remove these angle brackets and db password. Okay, just remove this db password and angle brackets and write your password here, like for in case of mine, My password is what? 2025. Right, people? What is my password? 2025. Now see, using Mongoose, there is a function called what? Connect. Inside that connect, I should pass what? A database string. Okay. Inside the database string, I should mention what database I want to create. So here I have passed a database name, and here on the spot of or on the place of db underscore password, I should mention my password, current password, like 2025 or whatever password you have given. You should write it here. Okay, people, you should write it here. Now store the response here. Okay, like const response await. Okay, and if my database connection has been established successfully, so I just want to print that db connected successfully, right? What message? db connected successfully, right, people? Understandable na? Simply I just written a statement like db connected successfully, right, people? Understandable or not? Simply I have created a function called what? db connect. Using that db connect function, I can connect my database, right, people? Okay, so for safe practice, I have used what? Try catch block. Inside the catch block, simply I have console log what? Error. Means during database connection, whatever error I will get, I will just simply print it in the console so that I can understand the error and later I can fix those things. Okay, people? Now simply using Mongoose, there is a function called what? Connect. So inside the connect, I have to pass what? Database string. Means whatever the string I have copied from mongodb.com, I should paste the string here. And also I should put my password and also a database name. That's it, people. Now your function is good to go for production, guys. Okay, right, people? Understandable or not till now? Let me know. Any confusion till now? People, any confusion till now? Please let me know. After that, we will execute our database file, and along with we will configure our server. Any confusion, guys, till now? Any confusion? Let me know. Okay, people. Okay, very good, very good. All clear. Okay, okay, very good, guys, very good. See, guys, let me check whether the file is being working or not. So how to check it? Simply, guys, I have told now inside app.js I will create my what? Entire server. Right, people? सर ऑफर लेटर नहीं मिला अभी तक. अरे रुको यार, पहले क्लास हो जाने दो, ठीक है? After that we will discuss about them. I have told you na, if you have not received your certificate, please send us a mail. Send us an email. Okay? Along with your full name, email, and mobile number. See, guys, for creating the server, previous day I have told I should install a package called what? Express, right? So package name is what? Express. So how to install the Express? By executing a command npm I or install Express. So if you execute that particular command npm I express, so your Express package will be installed, right, people? Okay. Now here I have to import what? Express. From which package? From Express package. Okay, people? Understandable? Right? Now I should configure the server. But before configure the server, let me create an app. Inside this app, I will call the Express function. Finally, I will export it from here. Export default app. So in our previous day, guys, from index.js, I have executed my backend, right? Means I have already told index.js is my what? Entry point. Means अगर मुझे अपने backend को start करना है, if I want to start my backend, only on that time I have to execute only one file. The file name is what? Index.js, people. What file? Index.js. Okay. Don't worry, you will get the response, no issue. See, I have already exported the app, already exported the DB Connect function. First of all, let me import those two things here. Import app. Please don't forget to put the .js. Otherwise, it will throw error. Also, I have to import what? DB Connect. Sorry, people. DB Connect. So that is the two things I required here. Okay, people. Okay. Now, first, I want that I should connect my database first. If my database connection has been established, only after that just connect my server or start my server. I just only one want that thing. Means first connect the database. Once the database has been connected, just start the server. So how to do that? For connecting the database, there is a function called what? DB connect. So first execute that function. Okay. If the function is executed, then I will use what? A then block. Inside the then block, it will take what? A function. Inside the function, I will start my app like app dot listen. Previously I have told now, using the listen function I can start my app. So first of all, I have to pass a port number called 3000 and also a function. Inside this function I will print a message called server is also running on port 3000. Okay, people. So here you can see, first of all, I have executed my DB connect, right, people? But I have executed my DB connect function. Means first of all, I just want that my database should be connected. If my database has been connected, only on that time you should start what? This app. Means your server should be started. If somehow the database connection has not been established, okay, if somehow the database connection is not been established, so on that time I will get an error. So for handling that error, I should use what? A catch block here. Okay, people. And here I will print what? That error. Simple. Simple, guys. Very much easy. Understandable, guys? Very much easy. Right, people? Now I should execute that index.js file. That is the thing, guys. Right? So, see, guys, first of all, if you look into the folder structure, guys, okay, now, till now, if you have any confusion, guys, till now, let me know. Till now, if you have any confusion, whatever things I have done here, till now, if you have any confusion, see, guys, backend is not easy, okay? You should practice it every day. Every day you should practice whatever the things I will do here. You should revise again and again. You should revise those things. If you don't revise, that means you are not going to learn backend. You will not going to understand it. Okay, people. Guys, if you're enjoying this video now, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Okay. Okay. See, understandable, right, people? Now see, guys, I have to execute what file? Index.js file. So if I execute the index.js file, only on that time my database will be connected, also my server will be started. Where we import express, see here inside the app.js we have import what? Express, right? Now I want to execute what? Index.js, guys, right, people? Now see, guys, I am present in which folder? 02 day. Now from that 02 day I want to execute that index.js. Now currently I am present inside 02 day. Now I want to execute my index file. See, for executing any JavaScript file, I have to write a word called what? Node, right, people? After the node, guys, can anybody tell me whether in this parent directory, means inside the 02 day, guys, it is visible like any index.js file is present inside this 02 day folder? Let me know. Any index.js file is present inside the 02 day? No, no file is present, right? Only node modules is there, public is there, src is there, package log.json, package.json is there, and no index.js file is present. So in which folder the index.js file is present. I have to identify that thing first. See, if you open the node modules, see here, inside this node modules, you will not get any index.js file. Okay. If you open public, see, inside the public, no file is present. But if you open the src, see, inside the src, index.js file is present. So from here, you can understand that if I want to execute that index.js file means I have to write what node, then I should go inside which folder? src folder. From inside the src folder, there is a file called what? Index.js. Right? Now, if you hit the enter button, see the output. DB connected successfully. Also, server is also running on port 3000. See, guys, database connection has been established. Also, my server is running. Right, people? But if you directly want to execute, like here, if you want to write node, directly if you write index.js, it will throw an error. What error you will get? Like cannot find a module. Means there is no module called index.js inside the 02 day. That module is present inside which folder? src folder. That's why it will give you this error. So you should go inside src, then from inside the src you should execute what file? Index.js file. Okay, people, understandable? Any confusion till now? One more shortcut is there, guys. You don't have to write like node src, then go inside the index, go inside it, and execute the index.js file. One more shortcut is there, guys. Okay, what is the shortcut? Simply, I have told na previous class, we will write some scripts today. So here, if you open the package.json, inside the scripts, you can write a new script called start. Inside the start script, you can mention what file you want to execute. So I want to execute using node, right? And what file I want to execute? I want to execute index.js file only. But the index.js file is present inside which folder? src folder. So here I have to mention what? src forward slash index.js. Okay. Now if I stop it and if I run a command called npm run start, simply one command, npm run start, means you are going to access a script and you want to run a script. What is the script name? Start is the script. If you hit the enter button, see, same output you will get, like db connected successfully, and also server is also running on port 3000. Understandable, people? Are you people are understanding or not? Let me know. Are you guys are understanding or not? Let me know, people. Let me know. Till now, any confusion, guys? Till now, any confusion? Please let me know. Now you can create multiple routes. Okay, like you can create login, you can create home. Okay, different route you can create right now. See, people, I hope no confusion is there, right? Understood, guys? Sachi bolna. Are you guys enjoying or not this classes? See, guys, if you see any other YouTube videos now, no explanation you will get, like this kind of backend folder structure will be there. Okay, also you should maintain some standard practices, you should create scripts. Okay, so please let me know you guys are enjoying or not. Please let me know. See, let me stop it first, and here you can see from index.js I can start my server. Now inside this app.js I can create multiple route. Okay, okay, can we revise from start? Why not? Why not? See, people, first of all, what I have done here, I have created a fresh folder called what? 02 day. Okay, inside the 02 day you can see I have created two folders. public and src. Public means, suppose from the front end, if I want to upload any image, any video, any PDF file, any other file, then in the back end, inside that particular public folder, the static file will be stored. Means that image or that video or etc. will be stored inside which folder? Public folder. That's why I have created what folder? Public folder. Another folder is what? src. I have told now, inside the src folder, our entire database configuration, entire server configuration, means in one word, our entire backend logic will be present inside which folder? src folder. How to mark the attendance, Aviraj? Please focus on the class, learn something, then you don't have to tell for the attendance link. I will share with you. Okay, understandable. So inside the src folder, our entire server configuration, our entire server code, entire database code will be present. Now for the back end, some terminologies will be there. What are the terminologies we have? First of all, we have what? Controller. Controller means some logic. Suppose you want to perform login operation. Suppose you want to send some money to your friend. Okay, so those are nothing but what? Controllers. Database means how to connect the database. That configuration will be stored inside what? Which folder? Database folder. Middlewares, middlewares are also there. Like suppose you want to perform login. So login means an authentication or an authorization, right, people? That's why middlewares are there. Models will simply, you want to provide a structure to your database for storing some data or for retrieving some data. So that models are there. Utils means, suppose you want to add some additional functionalities or additional features for your backend. Only on that time utils will work. Now apart from that, two different files you will get here, guys. The files are called what? App.js and index.js. See, the work of index.js is simple. I have to execute that index.js file so that my database will be connected and my server will be started. Okay. The second file is what? App.js means our entire express server configuration. How I will configure my server, those things will be present inside which folder? Means inside which file? App.js. Yes, utils means utilities. Some utilities I will create. Like suppose I want to create some custom responses, custom errors. Okay. So those things I can create inside utils folder. Okay, people. Now, apart from that, you can see inside database, I have created a file called db.js. Here, simply I have connect my database. I have import what package? Mongoose package. I have created a file, a function called dbconnect. Inside the dbconnect, using Mongoose, there is a function called what? Connect. Inside that connect function, I have passed what? Database URL. That's it. And it will help me to connect the database. Simply, I will console log a message called what? db connected successfully. Finally, I am just return back or I am just exporting my dbconnect function. Similarly, server configuration, I have just imported what? Express package. I have just invoked the express, means I have called the express function, store it inside app and export it defaultly. Now from inside the index.js, I have just called the dbconnect function. If my dbconnect function will be executed after, only after that, I will start my server. Okay, people. Otherwise, I will get an error. Okay, I will upload the code into the GitHub. Previous day, I was about to forget to upload it, but today it will not be happen, guys. I will upload it into the GitHub. Okay, people, don't worry. And also, in the video's description, you will get the GitHub repo link. You will find. Previous day, I was about to forget to add the link. Okay, understandable. Everything understandable and understandable, guys. Let me know. I have discussed from the beginning, right, people? Okay, see, guys. Now let me create some routes so that we can understand. Like previous day, we have also created some routes, guys, right? Like using app dot get. Here I can pass what? Endpoints, and here a function will be there. This function will take what? two parameter like request and response. And here response dot send like welcome to the home page, right people? Similarly, I can create multiple routes and endpoints. See here I will write what? Login. So here I can pass a message called enter your email and password to do login, right? Similarly, I can create another thing like here I can create purchase. Okay, here you can write what? Purchase page. Anything you can write, people. Sir, how to work listen function? Yes, see guys, here index.js you can see listen. See, listen means basically you want to start your server, but before starting the server you should mention what port you should allocate for starting the server. Like in your local host, if you want to start any server, means you have to provide some port number, a port like some default gateway. Okay, using that default gateway your internet connection is also connected with your laptop, your mobile. Similarly, if you want to start your server, again you have to define a port number. Okay, so listen function basically takes only one argument or one parameter, that is called what? The port number, and remaining things are optional. This is a function I have passed because I just want to see that whether my server is running or not. If I do not print this message, then I will not get to know whether my server is running or not. That's why I have written a function here. But normally only one argument is required, that is what? Port number. Okay, so listen function only take one thing, that is called parameter, means that is called what? Port number. And apart from that you can pass also a function, and inside that function you can print a message like your server is running. So in this manner your listen function will work. Okay, see here guys, app.js I have created multiple what? Routes and also the controllers. See here, these functions are nothing but what? Controllers. So this controller will work on this particular route login. If I start the server, the command is what? Npm run start. See, I have already started the server here guys. Okay, I will close it. Here, let me open a new tab. Guys, don't forget to remember like what is your port number and what endpoints you have decided here, you have created here, right people? So the port number is 3000, endpoints are like forward slash login and purchase. So here I will simply write what? HTTP colon forward slash double forward slash localhost colon 3000, then simple forward slash. See the message. What message has been displayed guys? Welcome to the home page, right? Another endpoint is there called what? Login. So see here guys, in the URL if I write forward slash login, see the message has been changed, means enter your email and password to do login, right people? Similarly, purchase is there. So if you hit the purchase, see here, purchase. If you hit the purchase, see here the message, purchase page, right people? Understandable? Means our server is working. People, are you guys are understanding or not? Please let me know. Then sir, why we are not export index.js file? See, because I have told now in my package.json file I have mentioned that index.js will be my what? Entry point. So I cannot export that file, or I cannot export anything from that index.js file because I have to execute that file, right? Means if I do not execute that file, my server and my database will not be connected. That's why we don't have to export that file. Okay, people. Now tell me, guys, backend is interesting or not? Tell me. We will also create multiple controllers, routes. We will write authentication code. We will write a file uploadation code. We will also use Postman to check our endpoints whether it is working correct or not. Everything we will work. हाँ वही बाकी है भाई. प्रोजेक्ट में यूट्यूब का बैकएंड बना देंगे, बस उसको चिपका दोगे तुम अपने रेज्यूमे में, बस हो जाएगा, काम खत्म. Sir, can I use if else instead of then? See, here if else will not work. Why not work? See, guys, if you write simple if else now, either if block will be executed, either else block will be executed. You should pass a function. So inside that function, what condition you will pass? That will be the main question. What condition you will pass? So if you get any error, then what will be the condition for that? So that's why we are using what dot then dot catch. It's nothing but what promise. See, Narendra, you should attend these things. Like if you want to attend for 1 hour of lecture, means you are not going to learn anything. Backend means it's a very heavy subject. Okay, that's why the classes are very much long. See, promise means suppose you have promised your girlfriend that I will be loyal for you. So either two scenario will be there. Either you will keep your promise or either you will break your promise. If you keep your promise, that means you have fulfilled the promise to your girlfriend. If you do not keep your promise, if you also chase another girls, if you also talk with another girls, then your girlfriend will be angry. That means you have break the promise. The promise you have given to your girlfriend, you have break it, right? So that is what catch. So DB Connect is my word. Promise means it's my girlfriend. I'm just telling my girlfriend that hey, I'm not going to cheat you. So if I don't cheat my girlfriend, so I will get some reward. So the reward is what dot then. If I cheat my girlfriend, I will get some what heartbreak and also breakup. Right? That is what catch block. Simple example, guys, for understanding. Any confusion, guys? What is promise? Promise means either it will be executed or it will not be executed. Means if my database will be connected, then my server will be started. If my database will not connected, mean my server will not be started. That's why I have used what then and catch. Understandable, guys? Let me know. Understandable or not? Please let me know, everyone. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Please let me know. Let me know. Guys, if you're enjoying now, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Okay. Good example, sir. Very much interesting. Backend is very interesting. I know backend is very. It is also my favorite subject. Yes, you can use try catch block. No issue will be there. You can use it, but the good practice is you should use some promise. See, guys, if you say that I'm getting the ad, guys, see, first of all, these classes are free, right? So we are also putting some effort to all of you guys. So if any ad is coming, and if it makes you annoying now, then I don't have any word to say you guys. You're getting free content, but still you have problem from ads. Then what should I do, guys? Let me know. Then only for that you people, you should purchase what the premium courses. Like you should pay 4,000, 5,000 rupees, and you will learn nothing. Okay, people. Okay, so I think you have understood. Now let understand how many ways we can send some data to my server. Till now, any confusion? If you have till now any confusion, please let me know. See, you should practice it. You should practice it. Okay, you should practice the codes regularly. Okay, any doubt, guys? Till now, any doubt? So, sir, in response, we are sending plain text, right? So, can we use any tag in there? See, here, na, you cannot send any tag, okay? You cannot send. But you can send the response in the form of JSON format. See, guys, here I can send the response like response dot JSON. Here, I can send some data like name, RG, role, trainer. See here, guys, I have sent some data in another format like JSON format. Now, if I again start my server and see here, guys, in the home route, see the data is being printed in the form of JSON. So, whenever you will create some backend, you should send the data by following the JSON format. Okay, please let me know what portion should I explain. What portion? Let me know so that I will also get understand. Na? See, guys, one more important thing is there like. Suppose I have an URL, okay? So it's my URL https colon forward slash amazon.in forward slash Samsung. See here, mobile require files and import files. See, nothing, no difference is there between the require files and import files. See, only difference is there like syntaxes. And the require part is work on the common JS, and the import will work on what module JS. The module JS is the latest one. Okay. Okay, people. Suppose I want to send some data via URL. Okay, it is possible now. If I use get request, then via URL I can send some data like mobile. What mobile I want to purchase? iPhone. Okay. Now some ID will be there for that particular iPhone. Suppose it's my ID, right? In this manner, I can send some data or not. Let me know. I can send now. In this manner, I can definitely send some data, right, people? Yes, many things are there. Request.query, request.params, request.body, request.file, request.files. Multiple things are there. Don't worry, I will explain them one by one. Okay, okay. See, people. Here, if you notice now, I have sent what? A data. Here also, I have sent what? A data. Like, what is my mobile name? I have sent that mobile name via URL. What is my ID? Means, in case of iPhone, what brand I want to choose or what version, what model I want to choose. So ID will define that model, right, people? So here I can say that I have sent some data. I have sent some data URL, right, people? So if I do not tell my server that, hey, server, some data can be transferred via URL. Some data can be transferred via URL, and you should be able to capture those data. If I do not mention that thing, then my server will not be able to accept that data. But in some cases, some scenario may be there like I should send some data via URL. So on that time, if I do not configure my server properly, then my server will not be able to accept the data from the URL. So for that, one important configuration is there, that is called what? Express.url encoded. Okay, it's basically a middleware. Okay, So using express.url encoded, you are basically tell your server that, hey server, if customer or if any person sends some data via URL, then you should accept it, right people? That's why I have used what express.url encoded. Guys, till now any confusion? Using express.url encoded, my server can accept the data that I will send via URL, right people? So here inside the VS Code, go inside app.jsx, sorry app.js. Here I can write what I want to use, means on my app I want to add some configurations. Like what configuration? The first one is what express.url encoded. That is my first configuration. So using app.use, you are basically telling that on my server app I want to add some configuration. What configuration I want to use? The configuration is what express.url encoded. Means you are basically telling that, hey backend or hey server, now you can accept data which will be sent via URL. Understandable, guys? What is the meaning of express.url encoded? Guys, anybody, let me know. Are the people are understanding or not? What is the meaning of express.url encoded? Guys, understandable, na? Let me know, please. Let me know. Okay. One more important thing is there. Suppose it's all about what get method, right? So in case of get method, the data will be visible in the URL. Suppose you are an intelligent fellow, right? You are an intelligent fellow. So you know that if I use the get method, then the data will be displayed in my URL. But I don't want to display my data. So I will use what method? Post method. So using post method, I can send some data securely and it will not be visible in the URL. Right people? It will not be visible in the URL. Now see here guys. Suppose there is a form in the client side. Suppose it's my login form. Okay. Uh, Here it's my what login form. Now in this login form, suppose I have what one input field. Suppose I have two input field, one for email, one for password, and also I have what button. So here is my button. See, in this input field, what I will write? Enter your email. Okay people, what I will write? Enter your email. Now I will place it here. Similarly, I will write here, enter your what password. And finally, I will write what login. Okay people, login. See, now here I am using what method? Post method. That means the data will not be visible in my URL. So how the data will be transferred? See here, one of the most important and very popular way to transfer the data from a client side to the server side, that is known what JSON format. So here I can use what JSON format. So JSON means open a curly braces. Here I can write what email. Now here my email will be there. Also here I can pass what my password. Okay people, here my password will also there. See, post means the data will not be visible in the URL. Means if I use a post method, then in the URL data will not be visible in this manner. Okay, data will not be visible in this manner. So in post method, how the data will be transferred? The data will be transferred in this manner, like in this JSON format. So that data will not be visible in the URL. Okay, data will not be visible in the URL. So it's a JSON data, but I have told my server that, hey server, whatever data you will get via URL, just accept it. But I have not told that if you get any data which will be in the form of JSON, you should accept it, right? So if I do not mention it, then my server will not accept that data. For that, again, one more configuration is there, that is called what? Express.json, right? Using express.json, if I use it, then I'm just telling my server that, hey server, now I am using a middleware called express.json. That means if any user wants to send any data in the form of JSON, then you should accept that data, right, people? Understandable or not? Please let me know. Understandable or not, people? Let me know. Understandable, no? So here again, I will add one more configuration, which is called what? Express.json. Now my server can accept. Now my server can accept JSON data. Right, people? Till now, any confusion? Till now? See, guys, easy. Backend is easy. If you uh, if you just focus on the classes, if you revise all those things now, if you again practice and practice now, it will be very much easy, right? It's like real world things are there. Okay, no no imaginary part is there here, because via URL you can send some data, via JSON format you can send some data. So you should understand what configuration I should use here, right, people? See, people, JSON means what? Suppose I'm using what method? Post method. So in case of post method, the data will not be visible via URL. So here, how the data will be transferred? The data will be in the form of what? JSON format. Inside that, suppose I want to pass my email or password. So here the email is there, like rg at the rate gmail.com, and also my password is there. Here is my password, right, people? So see, my password is what? Encrypted. So this is called what? JSON data. Now if I send some JSON data from client side to server side now, so now my server don't know how to accept the data. What is the format of the data? So for understanding the server, means to get to know the server that it's a JSON data and you should accept it. That's why I have used what? Express.json. And this format is nothing but what? JSON. Right, people? Understandable? Everyone, please let me know. Are people are understanding or not? Please let me know, guys. Let me know. Guys, any doubt? Please tell me. Any doubt? Any doubt? Let me know. Or understandable? Okay, okay. Very good, Rajat. Very good. Please revise all those things, guys. Okay. So if you don't revise now, it will be difficult for you to understand those things later. And also, please practice this folder structures. Okay. So after this class, okay, while you guys are giving your attendance, on that time I will also create a file. Sorry, I will create a Google form. I will add the Google form link into the video's description so that you can upload your task, whatever task I will provide you. Okay, people. Yes, Arpit, it's actually a good practice. Okay, for security reasons, we should use the post method. Okay. Now, one more important configuration is there. See, multiple configuration is there, but today we are not going to talk about minimal configuration. See, the final configuration is what? Like, suppose it's your Facebook uh, homepage. Suppose it's a Facebook page. or Facebook profile. Here one image will be there, right, in this area, and here some name will your name will be there, right, people? Your name will be present here. Some description will be there here, right? Some college information, some activity information will be present here, right, people? Now here some post will be there, right? Yes or no? Now you want to update your profile picture. Okay, what you want to do, you want to update your profile picture. Okay guys, what you want to do, just you just want to update, right? Update your profile picture. So for updating your profile picture, you should upload a file, means upload a picture. So suppose it's your picture, and you want to send this picture to the backend. Okay, see, it's your backend, right? It's your backend. So inside this backend, we have already know that two main important folders are there. One is what? Public. One is what? SRC. Right, people? And I have told that inside public folder, we are going to store what? Static files, means images, videos. Right, people? Okay, guys. So now if I upload any picture from my app, it will send to my what? Backend. But in backend, at some folder or at some place, I should store that image. So where should I store that image? That's why I have to tell my server that, hey server, one folder will be there in my backend, means in the server a folder will be there. Only inside that particular folder, whatever images, whatever videos, whatever static files will be there, you should keep them inside that folder. So the folder name is what? Public, right? So I'm just telling my server that, hey server, you have a folder called public. So if any user wants to upload any image, video, or any kind of file, you should take that thing and put it inside the public folder. Got it, people? For that, one more thing is there, that is called what? Express dot static. Here you should mention what folder, like public folder. You should mention. Sorry, static. Okay, people. So little configurations are there. Okay. Express.static means you are going to tell your server that, hey server, a folder will be there. Okay, inside that folder please store the static files. So here static files means what? It's a nothing but static files means what? It can be image. Okay, it can be video. It can be what? Any PDFs, or it can be any kind of files. Okay, it can be any kind of files, right, people? So here I have to add another configuration called what? App.use express.static. Here you can see public folder is there. So I will write what? Public. Understandable, guys? I will write what? Public. Now tell me, guys, till now, if you have any confusion, let me know. Till now, if you have any confusion or not. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, na, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And please also share with your friends. Understandable, people? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Let me know, please. Okay, okay. I think no doubt is there, right? So now tell me your opinion about the backend. Backend is good, na? See, guys, for if you want any better package, na, you should go for backend roles, because front end is nothing but what? Okay, you can tell me whatever doubt you have, you can tell me. Okay, no issue. Suppose you can create a front end, but it front end is like what? Front end is like a beauty, okay? But if the beauty has not any brain, then what kind of beauty it is, right? You know the beautification, but only beautification will not add any functionality, right? So if you know how to add functionality, how the things will work, then you will get the better package. Sir, why you have not used .env file? See people, step by step I will follow, right? Directly if I execute the env file, na, some problems will be there, some errors you have to face. Okay, now if I upload that file into the GitHub, now the now my credential will be displayed. Now in the next class I can show you guys. See, I have put this file into the GitHub. Now these credentials are displayed. So for preventing or for better security purposes, I should store them in a separate file. So I should use what? .env, right? I should use what? .env file. Okay. So it is a good practice. Don't worry. In the next class, I will explain. I know everything. What I have to teach, I know everything, guys. Okay. Just whatever the things I'm just showing you, please focus on that. कौन है भाई ये? दिलखुश. कुछ सीखना तो नहीं है भाई तुमको. सिर्फ अटेंडेंस अटेंडेंस चाहिए तुम्हें. एक और बार अगर अटेंडेंस बोला ना, फॉर्म सबमिट करने के बाद मार करके रखूंगा भाई. See guys, tell me guys, any doubt is there or not till now? Let me know. Any doubt till now? Understandable na everything, guys? See guys, just look at this VS Code, huh? And revise all those things. Okay, people. And let me create the task form first. Okay. So some task will be there. I should create it first. Then I will share the attendance link with all of you guys. Okay, people. Understandable, everyone? Okay. Just give me 1 minute to create the task link. Okay, where is my another email? CodeXIntern. Google Forms, blank form, form title. Okay, backend day 2 task submission form. Okay, what task you have to perform? Uh, whatever things we have completed till now, practice all those things and upload them into the GitHub or Google Drive and share the link of link of GitHub repo or Google Drive. Okay, so here you should mention your full name. It will be what? Short answer. Mention your email. Guys, please fill up your email na accurately. Okay, please don't put any uppercase letters. Okay, please maintain those things. Sir, are you using Linux inside? No, not Linux. It's actually Git Bash. Kind of Linux. And I will suggest you guys to use what? Linux. Linux means what? A Git Bash. It is very much good, guys, actually. Okay, guys, let me add it. Okay, into the details. Okay, here I should add it. See, Rajat, there is a folder called node modules, right? So you should uninstall the node modules first, okay? If you uninstall the node modules, na, it will not take too much time to upload it. It will hardly take 1 minute, not till 1 minute. Within 10 to 20 seconds, it will be uploaded. Task, guys. I have updated the video description. Okay, just cut the video and rewatch it again. Okay, reopen the video again, rewatch the video or reopen the video so that you can get the link. Okay, people. Now it's a time to provide what attendance link, right? Guys, tell me now. Should I provide the attendance link or not? Attendance link time. Please tell me. What should I tell? Let me know. Okay, just find it. Attendance. Okay. Okay, let me make some changes into the attendance link. Backend class attendance, day 2. Also here, backend class. Backend class attendance, day 2. Okay, everything is good. Okay, guys. Okay, now I am sharing the attendance link. Okay, people, fill up it. You will get 2 days. Okay, you will get 2 days to complete and submit the task. Guys, quickly fill up the form. Okay, everyone, very good, very good. देखो यार, zip फाइल मत अपलोड करो. ओके, नॉर्मली फाइल्स अपलोड करो. See, I have received many assignments, but it will take some time now for checking them. Very good, everyone, very good. Guys, any further question, please let me know if you have any further questions. Guys, one more important thing. This upcoming Sunday, a live streaming will be there at 3 at 3 p.m. Okay, you can attend that live stream. We will do some chit chat. Okay, and also randomly we will pick people and we will add them into the live stream. Okay, we will do some fun. If you want to join, you can join us easily. Okay, don't worry. Send an email. Okay, send an email. We will definitely send your offer letter. No issue. Send us email. Sir, where can I submit my task? See, in the video description, you will get a link. Just open it. In the link in the form description, task is there. Complete it and upload the task in that form. Yes, Rajat, you can join into the stream. Don't worry. Don't worry. Where is the task? Please reload the video. Okay. So you can get the task from your video description. See, after completion of every classes, you will receive the certificate. If all the classes has not been completed, then how you will get the certificate now? Yes, there is a link is provided. Just click on that link. So task is there. No, you should have a basic common sense. A link is there means you should click on that link. So a Google form will be open. So in the description of that Google form, task is mentioned. Sir, where can we find your email address? Okay, see, I'm sending the email address. Whatever query you have, guys, please mail us. Whatever query you have, please mail us. Guys, if you have not fill up your attendance, please fill up quickly. Guys, any further question, please let me know. Guys, if you're enjoying this video now, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Task whatever things we have completed till. Yes, that is the task. Like create a basic server using Express, also create the entire backend folder structures, file structures, connect the database. Okay, write some routes. Say task a question not mentioned. Okay. What should I do, guys, if the task is not mentioned? It has already been given. If you are not able to click on a link, if you're not able to see, if you're not able to read whatever the things are there inside that form, then how can I assist you? Right? You should be capable enough to read basic English language. How to click on a link. Now I can teach you how to click on a link. Guys, any further question, please let me know, everyone. if you have any further questions or not. And if you have not fill up your attendance, please fill up it. Fill it up. Yes, you will definitely get the different offer letters because the domains are different. Huh? Yes, definitely 2 days are there. The link will be open for next 2 days, and today the front end link will be closed. Okay, after few minutes, I will close the I will close the form, front end form. See, if you have already sent an email now, don't worry, your offer letter will be transferred to you. Don't worry. Actually, we get many requests, right? We are receiving multiple requests, multiple messages. It takes some time to process them. Guys, also one more important announcement is there from on this Sunday. Okay, we are also doing the live streaming at 3 p.m. Okay, and also we are going to launch our membership. In that membership, only for those who will take take those memberships, for them some amazing projects will be there, some live projects will be there, also some amazing contents will be there, like uh, React Native. Okay, React app development using React Native, also the entire month stack. Okay, from basic to very advanced level, everything will be live on that particular private space. Okay, we will soon launch our memberships. You can, if you want, you can join it and you will definitely get some benefit from that. See, Anshu, from the video description you will get a link. Task is mentioned, you will get a link. If you click on that link, some text are there in the description. If you go through the text, you will get to know what you have to do. सी व्हाट्सएप में जो है ना भाई, वो क्या है बेसिकली, इंटर्नशिप का टास्क है, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर तुम ये सब क्लासेस भी अटेंड कर रहे हो ना, तो उसका भी अलग से टास्क होता है, जो मैंने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मेंशन कर दिया है। देखो, एक गूगल फॉर्म का लिंक है, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो, and inside that Google form, in the description you will get some text. Just go through it, you will get to know what task you have to do. Guys, any further question, let me know. Everyone, any further question? देखो यार, yesterday अर्नब ने क्लास लिया था, राइट? समहाउ वो भूल गया है, राइट? तो मैं क्या करूंगा, वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन पे एक और लिंक ऐड कर दूंगा, डोंट वरी। Guys, any further question? If you have any further question, please let me know. And also the announcement is there, right? Like this Monday live stream will be there. Also, we will announce our memberships. So if you want to join, so you will definitely get some benefits, like you will get live projects on AI/ML, data science, also in Munstack, also separately back end front end development. Okay, so this kind of things you will get, these benefits you will get. See, I will upload the code. Okay, if you go through the code, you will get to know. And just rewatch the video, so you will get to know how to what is the meaning of those things, right? Thank you, Shovik, for the compliment. Thank you, man. If you want, you can upload it entirely, but before uploading the task means GitHub पे task upload करने से पहले क्या करोगे? There will be a folder called node modules, right? You should delete that folder first. Okay, पहले क्या करोगे? node modules वाला folder delete कर दो, then entire folder को upload कर दो, बस काम खत्म. And उस GitHub repo का link ना share कर दो. Guys, any further question? Please let me know, everyone. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Guys, tell me, have you understood all those things or not? Today, whatever things I have discussed, like backend configuration, app configuration, server configuration, the explanations, you have understood or not? Please let me know, first of all. नहीं, टास्क मेल में शेयर नहीं करना है. टास्क के लिए वो जो लिंक है ना, वहां पर ही देखो अच्छे से एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, लाइक गिटहब रेपो लिंक और गूगल ड्राइव लिंक. सो वहां पर लिंक पेस्ट करके सबमिट कर दो फॉर्म. Okay, people, any further question, guys? Any further question? Please let me know. Okay, okay, all clear. Very good, very good. Okay, Anshu, okay. Guys, don't forget to join into the live stream, which will be conducted, or which will be held on this upcoming Sunday at 3 p.m. Okay, Shovik, thank you. सी अंशु, ये जो वीडियो है ना, इस वीडियो को एक बार कट करो, फिर से इस वीडियो को ओपन करो. क्या होता है ना, मैंने जब अपलोड किया, तुमने वही सेम वीडियो ओपन करके रखा है ना, तो सेम वीडियो में वो अपलोड नहीं होता. अगर एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लोगे, देन ये आ जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Yes, definitely we will get. We will also do some projects like freelance projects. We take freelance projects and we also complete those projects by our interns. And for that, we will also pay some money. Means we also spend some money to those interns. See, guys, one more important thing. See, if you watch this video now, if you watch this backend series now, I will make sure that you will not get any better content. Means any paid batch. No person will teach in this manner. Okay, in this depth, no one will get that depth. Okay, so just watch this video, enjoy it, learn something amazing. Okay, and if you want, now I will also do some uh, queries like MongoDB queries. I can do for you guys. Okay, if you want. So small question: why to delete modules? Okay, guys, I think no more time is there. I think in my hand. Okay, I have only 2 minutes. Okay. So small question: why to delete node modules? See, guys, inside node modules, multiple configuration files will be there. Okay, so 4,000, 5,000 files will be there. So if you are going to upload those 4,000, 5,000 files, it will take hell lot of time. So just delete the node modules. Whenever you are going to install that folder again, just write the command npm install. Again, your node modules folder will be generated. So why you should upload it into the GitHub? You should delete it, right, people? Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed this class, right, people? If you have any question, if you have any doubt, please ask me in the next class. Definitely, I will declare the class when the class will be continued. Okay, means tomorrow what class will be there in the morning. I will declare. And thank you again for joining into this class, everyone. Don't forget to join the live stream, which will be held on this upcoming Sunday, people. Okay, Sunday at 3 p.m. Also, we will discuss about memberships. Also, we will discuss about internships and what are the benefits you will get. We will discuss about it. Okay, people. So, right now, thanking into this class, everyone. And I hope you have enjoyed these things. And a very, very good night to all of you guys. Okay. And currently, my name is Rahul Ghosh, and I'm signing off. Thank you, everyone.